I need to replace this toilet, so the first step is to turn the shutoff valve to the off position and flush the toilet. I'm going to remove all the water from the tank. I sponge the tank water into the toilet bowl and plunge that. Now the next steps are important. I'm going to add LiquiLock to the bowl. I let this sit for about 5 minutes, and in the meantime, I remove the bolts for the tank and the water supply line. I remove the tank, and now I'm going to tackle the nuts and bolts for the closet flange. So I'm using a stubby gear wrench for this. Sometimes the nut won't come off, so I'm using a jam bar. Push that between the washer and the nut. This allows me to exert upward pressure and remove that nut pretty easily. It's a great little tool. You can see here how the LiquiLock is set up. Now none of that water will come out of the bottom of the bowl. I'm also using a pickup sticks to help me remove the bowl easily. I put a cap down in the closet flange, and then I like to clean all the excess wax off of the closet flange using the 5-in-1 tool. I'm using super clean to clean off the rest of the wax residue. I let that sit for a few minutes and I wipe that off with a rag. And then just as a courtesy, I like using Lysol on the floor to get rid of any bacteria. In the end, this is nice and clean and it'll be ready for the new toilet, which I'll show you how to install in a future video. So hopefully all these tips help you with your project.